Hi, welcome to yet another session of blockchain where we will be discussing about the difference between an NFT against cryptocurrency. So, how is an NFT different from a cryptocurrency? Physical money and cryptocurrencies are almost similar, that is, they are fungible, meaning they can be traded or exchanged for one another. That is, on the other hand, NFTs are different, they behave in a different way. Each has a digital signature that makes it impossible for NFTs to be exchanged for or equal to one another, hence they are termed as non-fungible. That non-fungible characteristic of an NFT is due to the content, what the value it creates. It is not same, and we will be discussing about it in the coming slides. Again, a brief about cryptocurrency or the currency system, that is, they are also equal in value. $1 is always worth $1. That is, one Bitcoin is always equal to another Bitcoin. So, you see, currencies and cryptocurrencies behave in the same way. They have the same feature, though cryptocurrencies are highly volatile, currencies aren't, but they hold the same features. An NFT, which is the trending feature or the entity within the blockchain, and it is taking a rage in its acceptance, has brought out new conventions to understand. So, here is another example for NFT. One NBA Top Shot clip that was sold for high amount is not equal to some other clip simply because they are both NFTs. One NBA Top Shot clip isn't even necessarily equal to another NBA Top Shot clip for that matter, because the content is different in it. NFT versus cryptocurrency. Here we are. How does an NFT work? An NFT is created or minted from digital objects that represent both tangible and intangible items, including art, pictures, videos, and sports highlights, collectibles, virtual avatars, and video game skins, design sneakers, music, and so on. So, you see, all this digital content that can be bought through the NFT are the ones which gives NFT the meaning what it has. The digital world itself carries huge amounts of data. To understand this, we need to understand that digital value creates value, and who is that gives value to a digital content? We, the market. Imagine Leonardo DiCaprio's painting selling for huge amount, and who gives the value it has? It's the critics. It's the critics of the art industry that gives it value, and the crowd is behind it for buying. Hence, the NFTs are also similar in the same fashion. The digital content, what we give value in terms of, be it memes, an NBA short clip, the source code for World Wide Web, which was recently sold for $5.4 million, all of it are the origins of something big, and we are running behind it to get it in terms of buying it, owning it, in terms of partnerships. And how can we do that? It's through the NFT. Here are some popular NFT marketplaces: OpenSea.io, Rarible, Foundation. So, should you buy NFTs? Are you interested in some digital content that can be used for your benefit? NFT is the way. Thank you. See you in the next session.